These are just scary tales for kids. Nobody's gonna take you away. And even if this witch comes, I'll be here. I'll protect you. See this staff? I will stop anyone.